Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something that you can pretty much put on any vehicle that has tires, but we're going to go ahead and try it on my F-250, which is an F-250 Lariat. And so it's middle ground F-250. It's got a lot of features in there. So, you know, it's a $90,000 truck, and we're going to see how this TPMS monitoring system compares to it right after this. I'm not there right now. Okay guys, so welcome back. I'm gonna bring you in here a little closer. See here, I got this it's called Tymate, and this is, I think it's the Tymate TM7 right here. This retails for, I don't know, if you go on the website, I've seen it for like $60, $65, something like that. I do think there is a sale right now on the Amazon. I'll leave a link for that. I'll leave a link to both, and we're gonna see how this thing works. But basically, this is a TPMS monitoring system. So it's a tire pressure monitoring system. So it's a TPMS, tire pressure monitoring system. I'm like double saying things. And this is one that you can put on your vehicle. So like if you bought a vehicle and you get all the options, or you got an older vehicle, I got a 1978 CJ7 over there I'm working on, I could put this on here. And it's pretty neat. This is gonna come with, it has, let me see if I can get you in here. It has all these little caps right here. So this is basically, can't get it out. There you go. So here's one for the left rear, which is the driver's rear. So I need the right front, because we're on the right front of the vehicle. So right front of the vehicle. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this thing out. And there's some directions, and I'm not really gonna need all of them, but I'm gonna show you this real quick. I'm gonna show you how this works real fast. Let me get you down here. Yep, get you right in here. So I'm gonna take off the current caps that I got off Amazon, and I'm gonna take the left front, because I'm the passenger's front. And first I'm gonna take this little locking nut, and I'll screw this nut on here. Screw that nut in there like that. So you got that nut in there, can you see that? Just screwed that nut right on there. And then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and take this, I'm gonna put that, turn that in there like that. You hear the air come out a little bit. That's okay. I'm gonna turn that. They do give you a little tool here, so you can kind of hold that. And the idea is, let me see if I can get this down where you can see this enough right. Trying to get the camera in here right there. So you would put this right here like that, and then you're gonna take this little bent thing they give you, and you're gonna pull. You can do it with your finger first, and then you're gonna tighten this up. Damn cranes. Then you're going to tighten that nut up against it, and that's a locking nut. So when you pull that off, and you go to, it won't come off now. Okay. Now they do give you, I'm going to show you this right now. Also included in this kit, they have these little, see the little black, they're little washers. So if the batteries die on this thing, you can take this apart. Oh man. It's hard to do, but when it's on here, let's see if okay, it does come apart, okay, and take you in here. So there is a battery there, and there's a seal up in there. There's a little seal on the edge, so they give you some extra seals if you have to change the batteries out. But still, I mean, this is, the locking mechanism isn't going to keep somebody from getting it if they really want to get it. Don't get me wrong. But it's keeping honest people honest, right? So what we're gonna do is we are gonna go ahead, I'm gonna grab the rest of these. Got the other three, and then I've got the unit itself. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna change all of these out, and then I'll be right back, so stay tuned. Okay, so just so you guys know, I've got the tire, I got them all there. I'm not playing any tricks, you know. There's another one there, and we're gonna walk around and show you all of them, just so you know. So there's another one there, and of course the last one was right there. Okay, so got them all there. They're all labeled, which tire is what. So then as we come into the truck, come here. I'm gonna shut the door. And on my truck, the 12-volt thing is right there. Sorry, this is a little, turn that thing around right there. My truck's a little messy, and I'm gonna spin the camera around so we can get a little bit better photo of this. So hold on a second. Okay guys, so I got it plugged in, turned it around, and this is telling me 35 in the front, 40s in the rear. And we come over to my truck, and it's telling me, let me see, 36, 35 in the front, and 41, 40 in the rear. So I don't know if the truck is more accurate or that's more accurate. Maybe that's rounding down and this is rounding up. But $90,000 truck versus, you know, $50, $60 part on Amazon right now, it's even cheaper. I don't know how you can beat that. I think that's pretty neat. And also, my truck does not tell me temperatures of the tires. This is telling me the tire temperature. It tells me 73, and that one's 70, 72, 70. So, I mean, how much better is that I actually get temperatures? Not only that, if you use this port to power, like your phone, like I got phone things up here, and I've got power running up here, but if you use that to power your phone, and now you're taking it up, you can plug a USB A/B into the bottom or a USB-C up there, and you know, you can still power your phone, so you're not losing any functionality. And then there are some buttons up here, and these buttons really, if you press the button, that's going to take you to, you see, press that, that's right there, it's changing the brightness, right? But then if you hit the up or down, what that's doing, the up or down does, there is a piece that you can buy that's a range extender. So if you want to use this for your trailer, I guess you can plug a range extender in, or you plug it in back there, or whatever it works, I'm not really sure. And then this will connect, so you can connect to the range extender, but also the brightness is cool. So I think all in all, functionality is fantastic. I mean, you could use this on pretty much anything that you drive with. So you could basically put it on any vehicle that you drive with. And the kit comes with a couple goodies in here. See, like an that's round, I think work like a human. The kit comes with just some extra stuff. Comes with the lock washers. I didn't put the lock washers on every tire because you don't need to. I'm actually gonna probably put this on the CJ7 over there because it does not have this functionality. Or I could put it on the motorcycle if you have a port on your motorcycle. I don't have that port on my motorcycle, but there are adapters you can buy that I can plug in. So overall, I got this for free, you know, to do a test. They just sent it. They didn't send me money. I didn't get paid for this. They just gave me the product and let me review it. So this is the Tymate TM7 tire pressure monitoring system, and I'm going to leave links for it. And I think it's pretty good. I mean, not only that, it doesn't, you don't even know it's there, man. Like, if somebody looked down and they saw it and they want to steal it, they could try to steal it, but then those little lock things is not going to keep them from really stealing it, but it's going to keep them from just nonchalantly walking over and taking it away. Shut this off. But all in all, I think this is a good buy. If you want to add this feature to your car, when you're buying the car, you really got to, you know, it's not just, oh, we're going to charge you $100 or $500. You got to get this $2,000 upgrade package. Basically got to buy the next level of car. So then you may not buy it because you may not want all that stuff. Not everybody wants to spend $1 million on a vehicle, and I don't blame you. So this is a good opportunity to do something if you didn't get that with your vehicle. So try it. Links are below. As always, please hit like and subscribe, guys. I really appreciate it. This is a miserable day in Florida. It's the last day of February, and it's just not a nice day. I already filmed this once yesterday, and it was so nasty. The video just came out looking like poo, so I redid it. And anyway, guys, I really appreciate it. Please hit like and subscribe, hit the bell, and check this out. Check this product out. I think this is pretty nice. I mean, you can't go wrong. The price is fantastic. You're not going to go wrong. It's got great 4.5-star review on Amazon, so check it out. I'll leave the product link to the actual website of the company and all that. And I really appreciate it, guys. And as always,